Hello guys, this is your mentor Rutuja Nirwan towards the journey of data science and artificial intelligence. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Rutuja Ki Pathshala. So in this journey of data science and artificial intelligence, we are learning the SQL Server, that is SQL Server Management Studio, and whoever want to learn this SQL as a SQL developer or any other designation related to SQL can learn this. Okay. Now in the previous lecture, guys, we have seen regarding the full outer join, its implementation and its practical usage as well. And in the previous lectures, we have seen what are the types of the join and also the practical implementation of each and every join in very simple manner. Guys, if you have not seen my previous videos, please go to my channel, that is Rutuja Ki Pathshala, and inside that you will get the playlist of SQL Server Management Studio, and inside that you will get each and every video in very detailed and in very conceptual manner and in very simple language regarding each and everything in detail. Okay. Now guys, without wasting much more time, today we are going to learn what is a cross join, what is its usage, what is the implementation in the different kind of scenarios. Okay. So guys, without wasting much more time, let's move towards the practical implementation of the cross join and the things related to it. Okay. So guys, for this join, I have specially created the two tables inside my database. If you are having already the tables present inside your database, then no need to prepare the different table. If you are not having, then you need to prepare. Okay. So this is my one table, and again I have prepared one more table, that is select star from parent details CG. Okay. Semicolon. So select this piece of code too and hit the execute button. So guys, wait a minute. Okay. Now my first table is student details CG, that is students details I am having in my first table, and the student ID, their name, city and class. Okay, in which class the student is. Okay. And in the second table I am having the parent details, that their parent ID, what is the fees they are paying for the particular student and for the child, and what is the in the parents mid where the present or absent. These two tables I have prepared. Now guys, whenever we are talking about the cross join, okay, other joins are having the different scenarios, but cross join is having a little bit different scenario with it. So whenever we are talking about the cross join, at that time there is no need to have any one of the column having a common column between them. Okay, you need to you can apply the cross join between any of the tables which are not having anything in common between them, but there should be basic some link between them. As of now, like you can see on my screen, student details is somewhere related to the parent details, even though they are not having anything in common. Okay, so in this way something should be related to each other in a common sense, in a common basic manner, but there is any particular column should be common between these tables. Wherever you are applying the cross join between the two tables or more than two tables, it is not important. Okay, so this is the thing. Now guys, I would like to tell you. Okay, now let's see towards the cross join. So select star from, simple syntax is there, select star from student details CJ and cross join. What is my the other table name? That is parent details CJ. Okay, wait a minute. This is my simple syntax. Now what is the cross join and how it is working, I will tell you step by step. Plus for as of now, just look at this output. Okay, we got it. Okay, wait, I would like to tell you one thing. Okay, so see guys, this is my original tables, the student details CJ, and this is my parents details CJ. Now in this you can see the name Sushil and Akriti. Okay, you can remember very easily, and here the parent ID you can see 108 and 109. Now what the cross join will do, it will take this one record of Sushil, Pune 4th class, and it will connect with 108 parent ID, 45,000 fees and present, and again Sushil, this record will connect with this parent ID 109, 60,000 absent. Now after that, again Akriti will connect with this record of 108, and then again Akriti will connect with this record of 109. If you want to see this, select the piece of code and hit the execute button. So guys, you can see here. Like Sushil has connected with the parent ID, and then Akriti has connected again with the parent ID 108. After that, again Sushil has connected with the parent ID 109. Then Akriti has connected with the parent ID 109. Okay, one by one they have connected with each of the record which is present in the another table. Another table is like after the cross join, whichever table is present with that table. Now, as if like we talk about the syntax. Syntax is like wherever we are writing, it is like simple. Like wherever you are writing, select star from table name. This is you know very well. Like I have written here also. After that, when you want to apply the cross join, you need to write here cross join, and after that the another table name, that is parent detail CJ, on whichever table you want to apply the cross join. So it will cross join accordingly. Like this one record will connect with another, one record in first table will connect with the first record in the another table. Then again first record in the one record in the first table will connect with the another second record with the another table. As you can see here, Sushil has connected with 108, up present. Then again Akriti has connected with 108, then present. Then again Sushil has connected with the 109, then 60,000. And Akriti has connected with the 109 and 60,000. Okay, this is it. Okay guys, so it is like cross, in the cross way. If you go to the Google Chrome guys, if any of the internet image you can see, let's see, I will show you one of them, like cross join. If I show you one thing in SQL, okay, and let's go to the image. It's taking a bit guys, okay, wait a minute. Okay, so see, we will see this image only. So see guys, table A and table B, it is just this first record is connecting with A. It is connecting with A, it is connecting with B as well, see this line, and it is connecting with C as well. Okay, as you can see here. So this is one. Then second record is connecting with table A, then table B and table C, and third record is connected with table A, table B and table C. In this manner only we have got the output. Okay, so guys, it is very simple, and whenever you are in such kind of scenario, you can easily apply the cross join, and syntax is also very similar, and there is no need to be having any one of the column common between these tables. Okay, so this is it. This is it for today guys. This is all about the cross join, its implementation, its practical usage as well. In the coming lecture we are going to see about the next join and its implementation and all. So guys, if you are facing any kind of issue, if you need any kind of improvement into my lecture, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it guys. If you are like having any kind of particular concept you want to understand from my end, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely take that concept and I will represent it in front of you. And guys, if you are liking my video, if you are liking my speed of teaching to you and any of this thing, then please go to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get each and every video whenever I post it on my channel. And thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead.